Okay, so I've got a headlight out on this side. To replace that, we take and lift up on this clip right here, and you can see that or not, another clip on that side. Lift up on that, make sure they line up down in there with the pins so that it'll actually fall out, and then you just pull forward on it like that, and then you just flip it sideways a little bit, pull the clip by squeezing that together, and the same thing on this side, and there you go. Now to get this bulb out here, you just give it a twist. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. It's a little bit tough. So which way do I gotta twist? Gotta line up the grooves. Line up the grooves right there, and then it just pops right out. And then you pop another one back in, and just do the reverse of what you done. Right now I'm going to take it over to the bench. I got water in it, so I take the water out of it. And these little clips right here, there's one there, and two on the bottom. And I'll remove the glass, and then I'll clean it out. And that'll be it. Have a new bulb.